So this morning I drove into town to get some food and supply, and as I was driving back, there was this crazy storm that rolled through. It was raining so bad that I had to stop my car on the side of the road to wait for the storm to pass over. And the entire time I was like, man, I hope my campsite is still standing. I hope nothing is flooded. And when I got back, my campsite was submerged in water. And my Starling was literally sitting in this puddle of water. And as you can see from the back, you can see all the dirt and debris because the back was laying the water. You can see deep. Near the front door, you can see all the water coming in, and I was nervous to see how the inside was gonna be. Hopefully everything is dry. I am literally standing on top of water. That's crazy, but it seems dry enough. So far, I've spent 51 nights in this tent, and honestly, I'm impressed by how it handles the weather. However, I recently learned that the waterproof coating will degrade over time, so I'm gonna keep track of how many nights I spend in this tent, and I'll let you guys know when it starts leaking. Also, the Starling Mini is doing extremely fine even though it was submerged in water, so I'm extremely impressed by how weatherproof it is. If you guys didn't know, I'm currently living in this tent full time and I'm trying to make it as comfortable as possible. So let me know if you guys have any tips or tricks, or also let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. Thank you for watching.